In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fully customized GoHighLevel dashboard for your agency in 2025. We'll take you through the entire process, covering how to connect your data, backfill historical records, and display everything inside a clean, fast dashboard layout. Let's start with a bit of context. You might have noticed that the built-in reporting inside GoHighLevel can be somewhat limited, especially at the agency level. By creating a custom dashboard, you can track important metrics like contacts, messages, and opportunities. Plus, you can also embed maps, charts, and tables that are perfectly tailored to meet the specific needs of your business. To get this up and running, the first step is to mirror HighLevel's data into your own database, which provides faster and unrestricted access. So, to begin, you'll need to create a HighLevel app inside the marketplace. It's better to give it every read-only permission right from the start. This ensures you won't have to reinstall it later just because you forgot one tiny detail. After setting up your app, make sure to enable webhooks for key events such as when a contact is created or updated, messages are sent, and opportunities change. Enabling these webhooks will help you receive real-time data directly into your database. The beauty of combining API and webhooks is how they complement each other. While webhooks capture new events in real time, the API is essential for backfilling. This means you'll be pulling all of your historical contacts, opportunities, and conversations, ensuring your dashboard isn't empty when you begin. With both systems set up and running, you can keep your database fresh and comprehensive. I highly recommend using Supabase, which is built on Postgres, although any database that meets your needs should work perfectly. The objective here is to mirror high-level data like contacts, conversations, and messages into a format that's fast to query. This approach helps you bypass any API rate limits and guarantees that your dashboard loads instantly, even with thousands of records. Once your data is in place, it's time to design your dashboard. For this, I like to use Next.js for structuring, Tailwind CSS for styling, and Radix UI and ShadCN components for elements like tables and date pickers. Consider adding a map at the top, followed by key performance numbers in the middle with detailed tables below. This layout is intuitive, flexible, and easy to expand for specific clients or locations. When the dashboard loads, the server queries your database for the current and previous period, allowing you to compare metrics side by side. Should you encounter any slow performance issues, consider optimizing your database queries or moving calculations client-side for better results. Lastly, steer clear of using Zapier for this workflow. When scaled, the cost can skyrocket, reaching hundreds of dollars for event handling. Instead, leverage serverless platforms like Vercel or AWS Lambda. Personally, handling 100,000 events cost me around $20 using these platforms, compared to $500 with Zapier. And there you have it, your very own fully customized GoHighLevel dashboard. By utilizing the power of APIs, webhooks, and your own database, you'll end up with a system that's not only faster and cheaper, but significantly more flexible than default reports. If you're eager